Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons. And today I'd like to show you how to draw an adorable little bunny. But not a regular bunny, a cartoon bunny rabbit, a very simple bunny rabbit that you can draw. Let's start with some very simple shapes. Start with this sort of circular shape, a little more like an oval, but it won't be for long, you'll see. And this little round shape underneath here, it's sort of like a teardrop that's been cut off. And we'll bring this down further, like that, and those will be the legs. We'll bring the arms behind this bunny. This is the body, like this. Some shadow under the legs. Now we're going to bring this out a little bit. Right here. These are the cheeks. On either side of this round shape, we're gonna bring this out a little bit. And we're going to widen the body out here, down a little low at the hips. He's been eating too many carrots, I can see. Okay, so you see we're starting to build the character. We haven't even started on the features and already it's coming together. This is the key to drawing. People tell you that, start with a feature, start with the eyes. No, I'm telling you, start with the overall construction. All right, so here is the center line, and then the eye line will be really low. And you'll see also, the features are going to be very simple. So where does the expression come from? It comes from these cute little shapes and how you combine them. All right, so here is the ear. Here is the other ear. What we're going to do is put a line here, flatten it out, and flop it over. You see? Like that. Put a line here and flop it over. Like that. And show the interior that way. See, that's kind of fun, isn't it? It works. It works. A little floppy hair on top. And now we're going to get to the eyes. Dots here on either side. And we're going to raise the eyebrows because he's kind of cute and wondering, and so we're going to give him a little bubbly kind of look, and that's how you do it. Bridge of the nose is very small. A little nose, and just a tooth. That's all you need is a tooth. Now we're going to give him a little bushy tail right behind, partially coming out over here. And now we are ready to go. We've done all the kind of construction work, all the planning, and we have it. So now we can start anywhere we want, really. I'm going to start on the eyes. Then you get to see where we're going. You'll see already the expression already in place as we start to draw. So there are the two eyes. There are the eyebrows and the bridge of the nose. Little nose. Just a line for the mouth, and then we put a tooth under it. So that looks kind of cute right there. Now we're going to bring that rounded head out for a little fluff over here, and it's rounded fluff. Rounded fluff. Is that a technical word? No, I don't think so. All right, so and then this side is round, and we round out over here as well, like that. A little bit of whiskers going on over here. Round up over here and some tuft of hair right there. When we round up the top, here is the ear, another ear, and the interior of the ear. The flat line we spoke about, and we'll kind of let it flop over that. We're going to build out that ear with those lines, the interior line. Flat line right here. And we let it flop over. Now one elbow comes out, the other elbow comes out, and this comes out to the hips right here to the hips, right here to the hips. We have a little tummy line here. We don't have to draw the entire body now. We're suggesting that. Like this, and you could put a little dot or two for the toes, and a little feathering for the back of the tail. And that's it. Very, very simple character. Fun to do. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll try it if you haven't already. Thanks for joining me. I have over 400 videos. Just search for my name and the word draw. Up they come. And I hope more than anything that you will subscribe. And then you'll get a new video every week. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.